Hi friends, myself CA Ajith Rohith, faculty for Group 1 Accounts India at Logic School of Management. The purpose of today's video is to give a brief idea about our paper, that is paper 1 accounts. See, we can classify our syllabus into two parts. One is the conventional area, the other one is accounting standards. By conventional area, I mean topics like branch accounts, departmental accounts, insurance claim, hire purchase, investment accounts, not-for-profit organization, incomplete records, cash flow statements, and so forth. See, what we need to understand, these topics can be classified like the substance over form. Now, if you look into the topics, there are lots of topics. We have talked about some 8 chapters. What is there in the syllabus at the end of the day? The substance over form. We can say that it's predominantly all about profit computation. Like, what is the learning objective when it comes to branch accounts? Your objective is to compute branch profit. Similarly, what is the objective when we are learning departmental accounts? It is to compute departmental profit. What is the objective with respect to single entry? It is to construct financial statements, arrive at profit. You have different methods like statement of affairs, like conversion method. How about with cash flow statement? We know the cash flow statement for the indirect method, it starts with P&L profit for the year. Assume profit is not given, then we should be able to arrive at the profit before we start with the working. So, what we can say is predominantly it is all about profit computation, be it gross profit or net profit. So, what we strive to do at Logic is, rather than teaching the subject as 8 to 10 chapters, we try to focus on the core area, that is, what is the concept involved. If a student is able to really understand how profit is to be computed, like be it gross profit or net profit, what are the different scenarios by which the examiner can test GP as well as MP. If he really understands the core essence, then be it departmental accounts, be it branch accounts, be it insurance claim, be it NPO, it doesn't matter. We need to understand, like in a course like CA, time is a very scarce resource. So, we know a regular batch which spans for around 6 to 7 months, but hardly we get one day before the examination. So, for a student to come out successful in such kind of competitive exam, it is very important to cover the topic. At the same time, it is also important to have a quick revision, so that on the day before exam, you go through all the topics that has been covered in a swift manner. So, revision is very important. We at Logic try to cover the syllabus, at the same time try to give you insights, tips as to how to revise the entire topic during that one day. So, objective is to give you expert knowledge in the topic as well as to make you confident that it is at the end revolving around 2 to 3 concepts. If you understand that the entire 8 topics or 10 topics is revolving around 2 to 3 concepts, you generally feel light. So, if you feel light, then obviously you are going to put your effort. And one good thing about this paper is, accounts is a paper that is, you are not exposed at intermediate level. You have been exposed to this topic right from 11th standard, 12th standard. Those people who have done their lateral entry, they would have done 3 years of graduation. So, almost either 2 to 3 years exposure or 5 years of exposure, depending upon what background you are in. So, generally what I understand is, when it comes to the conventional areas, most of the students find it comfortable. The problem is with respect to how to revise. And we can see that many students are able to score somewhere around 50 to 60s. Now, if you want to really get beyond 60s, what is going to make the difference is how well you are going to learn accounting standards, because that is a unique area when it comes to CA Inter. And it is very important to have expert knowledge on accounting standard at least working knowledge from an intermediate viewpoint, because that becomes the foundation for your CA final, where the entire syllabus is all about standards. The new syllabus, we know it's all about Ind AS. So, the objective of the classroom training is to give expert knowledge into the topic, as well as to help you devise technique by which we can go for a swift revision during your study leave. So, we have been doing it throughout say 2017, we have been giving regular batches as well as the revision oriented crash batches. So, this time also we are coming out with crash programs. We have got batches at Calicut from 15th of February to 22nd of February, wherein from this time we are going to give special thrust on accounting standards. There is a special batch on accounting standards. In Calicut, we have a 2.5 day session on accounting standards. That means 15th, 16th and 17th half day, it will be accounting standards. So, those people who are interested in taking accounting standard sessions, they can take it separately, and those people who would like to take the entire session, then the batches from 15th to 22nd. At the same time, we are also having at our main campus at Kochi from March 29 to April 6. Again, it's a 3-day accounting standard session, 29, 30, 31, and a 6-day the conventional topic session. So, I think that we will be able to contribute to your success. The past track record says so. So, hopefully we will be able to have a very good session for the ensuing exams. All the very best, and meet you soon.
Logic School of Management.